Hi there, I'm Amir, a front-end engineer with over 7 years of experience building Angular apps. In this short video, I'll walk you through 3 common mistakes Angular developers still make when working with observables, and how to fix them quickly and cleanly. Let's dive in! This one is absolutely everywhere. You call subscribe method in your component, but forget to unsubscribe when the component gets destroyed. That leads to memory leaks. The cleanest fix? Use the async pipe in your templates. It handles subscribing and unsubscribing automatically. And if you're subscribing inside the component, make sure to use take until or take one depending on the use case, so you don't leave hanging subscriptions behind. You've definitely seen this. One subscription inside another. Maybe you fetch a list of users and then inside that you subscribe again to get the details of the first user. It works, but it gets messy really quickly. It's harder to test and makes your logic more procedural than reactive. Instead, you should be using operators like switch map or concat map. These help you flatten nested observables and write cleaner, more declarative code. Here's another one I see all the time. Using a subject for every little thing. Clicks, refresh events, local state. It might feel flexible at first, but it quickly becomes chaos. Too many subjects make your code harder to follow, harder to debug, and harder to maintain. But what's a better alternative? Use behavior subject when you really need to share state between components. And if you're using Angular 17 or new version, go for signals instead. They're simpler, reactive, and perfect for local component state. Quick recap. Don't forget to unsubscribe, use async, take until, or take. Avoid nested subscriptions, use switch map or concat map. Don't overuse subject. Prefer behavior subject or even better, signal. That's for now. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more real-world Angular tips. No fluff, just clean code and honest guidance. See you in the next one.